हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फ्रेंड, आप लोग के लिए यहाँ बता दो फ्रेंड, काफ़ी बड़ी अपडेट आ रही है। एम्फोसिस टीम की तरफ से कल के दिन काफ़ी लोग के पास मेल देखने को आ रहे थे, लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट टर्मिनेशन। अब ये मेल क्यों आ रहे हैं, व्हाई पीपल्स आर रिसीविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ मेल? सो विदाउट एनी further delay, I will start this particular video, but before that please watch video till the end because we will going to discuss each and every points in details, why the candidate is receiving letter of intent termination mail, what's the reason behind this, and please avoid all these mistakes which I'm going to tell you in this particular video. And if you are not avoiding this mistake, then maybe most probably you are going to receive this kind of mail from the Emphasis team before your onboarding and joining updates. And also we will discuss some important queries also, because I received lots of comments, lots of queries from your side. That's why I have this doubt, that doubt. So I will also cover up all the doubts also. So let's begin, and please like this video and please share with your friends who are all join the in upcoming days are going to join the company. Okay, because these things they should know. Okay, so these things, so let's see what type of mail they are sending. Emphasis underscore letter of intent termination. Okay, so yesterday 3:18 p.m. the candidates are received. Your name, LOI reference number. Okay, getting from Emphasis campus hiring team with reference to LOI number. Okay, we had offered you to join the company employment latest by next week. Okay, so when the joining is there next week, we didn't hear from you, hence your LOI and offer made of employment stand terminated. You will not able to claim any employment with Emphasis further based on this letter of intent. In case of any further question, please write to emphasis@emphasis.com. So why this kind of mail they are sending? See, reason. So what's the reason why they are sending this kind of mail? See, let's suppose this is a candidate called XYZ. This candidates got a joining on 18th April. Let's suppose 18th April. Okay, so I'm just showing you. Here you can see. What is it? 18th April. Okay, means next week they are going to join. But there's a two condition comes over there. First, they didn't accepted the date of joining when they sent it this particular mail. Okay, which you have to accept it this you have to accept this onboarding mail. Okay, so there is some term and condition is also there that you have to accept, and your all the mark sheet, PAN card, Aadhaar card mandatory. You are required to work in any shift. You are required to flexible to relocate anywhere in India. This is a term and condition, you have to accept it. Okay, and let's suppose if you didn't accepted this particular things, and also, and if you reschedule your joining dates, keep in mind friend, if you didn't accepted this mail and also if you reschedule your joining dates, then most probably they are going to terminate you. Means they are not going to give any clarification that like let's suppose you mail to the campus hiring team that sir, my joining is 18th April, but I am out of the station, so I can't, so I don't want, like I am not able to join the 18th April, I want a new date. So in this way, if you are doing this thing, then they are not going to give you another join dates, and they will direct terminate your offer later in LOI. So please keep these things in your mind. Please don't reschedule your joining dates. Whatever dates you are getting, please plan accordingly. Plan accordingly and just join the company. If you are waiting from the last 1.5 years, okay, please don't reschedule your joining dates. Please don't reschedule your joining location. Whatever joining location they are providing you, just join the particular location. Because I heard one of my subscriber commented on my video that sir, I got a north side joining location, but I don't want to join the particular location. So they in this way they sent me a letter of termination mail. So they are not providing any clarification, any mail from your reference that please don't reschedule your dates, please don't reschedule your joining location, because they already stated that in the term and condition of the onboarding template mail that you have to accept joining location in anywhere in India, you have to work in night shift. Okay, so please don't avoid these mistakes, and please don't reschedule your joining dates, your joining location, whatever you are getting, whatever training you are getting, PIP up training, just complete all these things, because it's a mandatory, because already Emphasis terminated layoff many employees, and they are not providing each and every one for the joining dates, and who all are getting, you are lucky of, you are luckiest one that you are getting your joining dates. And minded friend, there are lots of students are still waiting for their onboarding and joining dates. Here you can see my screen. The candidates will be onboarding in batches, in please wait. So lots of students are asking the same question from the Emphasis HR team, that when I'm going to be onboarded, then they are getting they are sending a mail that we are onboarding in batches. So please accept this onboarding date, whatever date you are getting. Please don't reschedule any joining dates, because it will be harmful to you directly. They will terminate you. Okay, so this is the things I think I discussed all the points. So next batch is going to be joining the April in or May. They will going to onboard you. Okay, so first of all, they will first complete the first batch onboarding, and then after they will start the second batch onboarding. Okay, so please, I'm again repeating, please don't reschedule your joining dates. Please don't reschedule your don't change your joining location, whatever location you are getting, and please accept all the term and condition whatever they are telling you. Please don't argue with them, say I'm not comfortable with that, I'm not comfortable for this reason, I'm not comfortable for this that reason. They are not going to hear from your queries, because they want students to join as per their requirement, not your requirement. So I think that's it for this video. If you're more, you can ask in comment section. Telegram group जो हो जाना, मैं दूसरे में, till then जय हिंद जय भारत.